Now, hi everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's 16 boards, and we're going to go through them now. Can you all see board number 1?
Yes.
Okay. We look at this, and North has an easy pass here, and East has a lovely hand here, but it's a balanced and 17 points. So most people who are playing ACOL would bid 1-0 trump there, or would bid one club there. Yeah, happy with that?
Yes.
Yeah. And with 7 points on a balanced hand, South really can't say anything else. So what does West do now? It bids
Diamonds.
no
Transfer.
no. Oh, sorry. No, it's not.
Oh,
It's
sorry.
not a transfer because
I
you
thought
didn't
1-0
open.
trump. Yeah, 1 heart. Yeah.
You bid 1 heart there. Okay, and so we'll get a pass. Can North can't with 8 points?
No.
It can't go up to the 3 level, so it really has to pass. Okay. Now this is the interesting one. You simply go 1-0 trump here, pass from South, and what does West do now? Any thoughts?
Well, it has enough points to invite.
More than enough points to invite. I think it's enough points to go to game.
Yeah.
Or, well, sorry, invite, certainly, yeah.
So 3 hearts, maybe.
I think 3 hearts is your best move there. Now that's forcing to game, by the way.
Sorry, Rory, if you're playing the weak no trump, would you not open a club and rebid 2-0 trump? We opened a 1-0 trump.
Yes, no, sorry, very good, yeah. If you play your 2-0 trump as 17 points, 17 or 18, then you have a lovely rebid of 2-0 trumps. And then it becomes...
We played 15 to 17.
Yeah, but if you, and that makes it very easy for you. This is the advantage of playing your 2-0 trump as being 17 or 18, because now what you do is you just go 3 hearts there, and 3 hearts is saying, I have 5 hearts. It's not saying I have 6 hearts, because 3 hearts is forcing to game and just offering you 5 hearts or 3-0 trump, whichever you like. Okay, pass, and we'll go to 3-0 trump, and we're happy there. Everybody made their 3-0 trump, did they?
I made +2, but we opened the 1-0 trump and it's straightforward transfer. And when stayed in, But others stayed in 1-0 trump.
Pardon me?
Others stayed in 1-0 trump in that hand.
Oh, they can't.
They went 1 club, 1 heart, 1-0 trump. That's exactly what I said to you a moment ago.
Oh my gosh. Just
and we actually got the better of the robots that game because they just left.
The robot would have interpreted that your reverse no trump as being 12 to 14.
Yeah,
they just left it in 2 hearts.
Yes, because they interpret your reverse no trump as being 12 to 14. So they would have. That's why they did that.
Well, no, they opened 1-0 trump and then they did a transfer.
Then you did a transfer.
No, the robots. We were playing against the robots. So they opened 1-0 trump. The other robot did two diamonds, 2 hearts, and left it there. So the robots.
No, I can't see that. They've got 8 points and even a 10 there, and a double. Yeah. So no, I think they're wrong.
But there is an already rebid of 1-0 trump which was passed out in another hand.
Oh, well, okay. that was wrong. You can't do that.
Yeah.
17 points. So
anyway,
let's not talk about the mad ones. Let's talk about what's right, not what's wrong.
There are lots of them today.
Isn't it nice being in the summer, though, isn't it? Are you all enjoying your bridge still during the summer?
Yes.
Yes, very much.
Yes.
Good. Just to tell you before I forget, we're going to be putting on some summer bridge stuff, mainly on declarer play, just for people who want to keep up their bridge over the summer. And then we've got a huge program of both in-house and online bridge for September. So we'll be sending you all that. But there'll be a little bit of declare play stuff for the summer, just to keep your hand in for those who are bored by all the holidays, the kids being out playing and all the rest of it. Now, East here has 9 points. It's going to pass. South with their 4 points, miserable, are going to pass. And it's a very easy 1-no trump here for West. Now, what does North do? It only has one bid here.
Double, I suppose.
Double, yeah. Double says I have more points than the weak no trump. Okay, now double of a weak no trump is for penalties. Double of a strong no trump should never be for penalties. It's not a good idea to double a strong no trump. So most people use that double as asking partner to bid clubs, and they will pass or correct. In other words, it's a long suited hand that you have. I don't know if you follow that, do you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so double here means penalties. So what does East do? It can either leave it in or take it out. I would probably take it out. So I'm going to take that double out, 2 diamonds, and then that should be pass. And I think you'll make your 2 diamonds.
But what happens with the strong no trumps?
Yeah, if you open a strong no trump, then the other hand does not double, unless it has a long.
No, but they wouldn't have opened 1 no trump. So what does North do? Which is what happened for Peggy and I when West opens 1 club.
Oh, when West opens 1 club, well then you can overcall 1 no trump.
Yeah.
Yes, which I did.
Yeah.
And just a second, I'll just look back again. And East doubled.
East doubled, okay. And what does your partner do?
I passed because I have 4 points.
And your partner is 15.
Yeah.
I'd be okay with that.
Yeah.
And did you go down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Minus 800. Because they got the diamonds.
Yeah, okay, so they get 5 diamonds, the ace of spades.
Ace of hearts.
And the ace of hearts, 6, 7, yeah.
Yeah, we all went down, yeah.
6.
But you have to bid it.
Yeah. Yeah, unless you have a way of getting out of a double no trump, which is usually Helvik.
Helvik, yeah. That's what we played, Helvik. We played redouble.
So you can, there you are. Yeah.
Redouble.
And you're playing 2 clubs.
I didn't tell Peggy that I knew Helvik because I'd never played with Peggy before, and it was our second game, wasn't it?
We were just.
Well, then you'd play in 2 clubs, and I think you'll make your 2 clubs easily.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Here we are, board 3. So South is first to speak. Miserable 5 points. We're going to pass that one. And once again, there was a lot of 1 no trump openings, wasn't there? 1 no trump.
Yeah.
North is going to have to pass that with their 9 points. Now, here we go. It's simple enough. East, I was having a debate with Carol the Raymaker. Do you know Carol? We were having lunch yesterday. And we were talking about, when do you not play Stamen? Does everybody play Stamen over 1 no trump?
Yeah.
Normally, yeah.
It's you sometimes have you should sometimes have a little think about it. If West here opens 1 no trump and my hand was 4, 3, 3, 3 in the East hand, and my spades were not good, but I had honors in the East hand in the other suits, I mightn't play Stamen because you don't have any roughing possibilities. and you've only to make 9 tricks rather than so. I'm just giving you that as a little tip that Stayman can be. You can not use Stayman if your partner is open 1 no trump and you have a hand that is 4-3-3-3, where there's no roughing possibilities. There's no advantage to being in a major suit.
Mm.
Did you know that?
No.
It's a nice little tip for you, just in case.
Right.
Now, on this occasion, we do have a doubleton here, and I think it's worth doing Stayman on. So on this one, we'll just go 2 clubs, pass from south, 2 hearts, pass,
No trump.
and then 3 no trump. Yeah, straightforward.
Mm.
Okay, king of clubs is on the wrong side, so you will make 3 club tricks. You'll make 4 spade tricks, the ace of hearts, and a diamond. Yep. Everybody happy there?
Just out of interest, Rory, the robots seem to be using the strong no trump in this
Yes.
hand against us. They
Always,
one
always.
club, 1 spade.
Yeah, they're 5-card majors and strong no trump. It's a system that I think you should look at quite a lot, guys. I think it's a superior system in that you can find a fit much easier.
Yep.
So I think you should look at it. And we're doing, next September, we will do more lessons on the 5-card majors, because I think, especially if you're going to be playing online against people on casual bridge.
Actually, Rory, it is very hard to go back to the 4-card majors. And I play with one person who still plays the weak no trump and 4 cards. And once or twice, it's been really very difficult to find the fit. As you say, with the 5-card, it's so easy. Yeah.
It is so easy.
Yeah,
and it's so easy. And it's not what you bid, it's what you don't bid as well. Also tells you an awful lot of things. And just look at the top players. All the top players play 5-card majors. Now, some top players will play 1 no trump because it has a very good, it's a good defensive thing to put in as a weak no trump. But I would say the most superior system is those that play the 14-16 no trump. It's a very interesting one, 14-16. And then they will also open a strong club. That seems to be what the top guys tend to favor, a strong club. That means if I open 1 club, I have 15 or more points, any shape at all. Okay, let's have a look at this. Well, board 4, West has a lovely hand with 6 clubs headed by the ace, king, queen. That's really, really strong. When you have the ace, king, queen of hearts and 6 of them, the chances are you're going to make all 6 tricks, okay? So you're looking at a really good hand there. So pass from north, and east will naturally go 1 spade. Okay, pass from south. Now east will go 3 hearts, or west will go 3 hearts here, won't they?
Yeah.
Pass, and then we're going to go 4 hearts. Why would west not go to 4 hearts straight away? Always look at that queen 6 of spades. Not a great idea. So just for your own benefit, when you're valuing a hand, look at your 3 club losers and then count your 2 spades as losers as well. So you're asking a bit more of your partner. So 3 hearts, even if they pass that, if they have a horrible hand, maybe they're passing it for good reason, okay? Now, as it happens, you're going to make, you may make 4 spades. Probably won't the way you play it, because you probably play a spade up to the queen and then back, and your last spade won't win. But you'll be able to throw one of your spades on the club, and you'll be able to finesse the queen of diamonds. So you will only lose 2 clubs. Okay. So did everybody make +1?
No, a spade lead
Yeah.
gives +2.
Spade lead gives you +2. Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and of course you're more likely to get the spade lead as well. A lot of people, it's a general rule that if they're bidding one major, leading the other major is probably a good idea. All okay, all happy so far?
Just out of
Yeah.
interest, Rory, again,
Yeah.
the robots against us went 1 heart, 2 hearts, 4 hearts.
Yeah, they're playing 5-card majors.
Yeah.
You see, so they knew they had a fit straight away.
Yeah. They wouldn't bother showing the spade.
No. Okay, so yeah, and nor should you. You should never, if you don't have to show your spade suit. The only time I would, if I have a fit with my partner, the only time I don't bid his suit at the correct level, he opens a heart and I have 4 hearts. I will go 2 clubs to show him, or to have another listen to what he has in his hand, even though I'm going to go to 4 hearts afterwards. So I need to know how strong he is before I go to 4 hearts myself. So
Yeah,
don't
I think
go-
particularly
and-
when Easter's got 16 points and his partner's opened.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
But the question, Rory, the 2 club bid is, obviously it's going to be taken that you have a club suit, but you may not have it.
No, you may not have it.
So you
I-
might
I
have
co-
only 2 or 3 clubs actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would normally do it. I mean, if I have a diamond suit, I might do it with that. But if I had to, I would do it with 3 lousy clubs,
Yeah.
because I know I'm going to end up in 4 hearts anyway. It doesn't matter, and it prevents a lead as well. They
Yeah.
tend not to lead the suit you bid.
Okay.
So it has a lot of clever little advantages there. So
So
on
what
this,
do you-
yeah,
Sorry,
sorry,
Rory,
go.
what are you saying there? So the partner opens 1 heart and you're,
And you have an opening hand as well, so you know that you're going to be playing in game,
okay, yeah,
and you have 4 hearts.
yeah.
Well, you want to know whether your partner is 12 points or 16 or 18 points.
Mhm.
So instead of going to 4 hearts and blocking them out, I go, when he goes 1 heart, I'll go 2 clubs. And
Mhm.
now if he goes 3 diamonds to show that he is a big hand, I can now start exploring
Mhm.
getting into slam.
Okay.
Okay. Whereas if I go with most systems, if I go 1 heart and then I go 4 hearts over the 1 heart, that's saying, partner, shut up now, because I've stretched to the very best to get you in game.
Yeah.
Now I could have 5 lousy hearts, a singleton club, and something, and maybe
Yeah,
8
it's weak, yeah.
points.
Yeah.
I'm doing this because I think it's a blockout bid. Okay, so on this one, it's East that's going to open the bid. That's going to be the first to, or sorry, it's pass from North, and then East is going to bid 1 spade. Lovely suit there, isn't it? So
Yeah.
nice hand. But the King of Clubs, remember that King of Clubs could be worthless. Could be worthless. So now, does South come in here?
Sure.
Has to really. Not only is it a 7 club suit, it's a 2-suited hand. And this is 7-4 as opposed to 6-5. So what would you bid there?
2 club.
Well,
I bid 3 club.
I bid 2 clubs. It's either 2 or 4 clubs, really, isn't it?
Well, no, 3 clubs. I'd be happy with 3 clubs as well.
And would that not be showing a stronger hand?
Well, I mean, how many points have you got? You've 9 points with 3 more, allowing 3 for your extras in the same suit.
You've actually got an opening hand.
Yeah. It's competitive. Going up to 4, Frank. When I go to 4 clubs, I'm telling my partner I'm going to go to 5 if you do nothing. If the opponents do nothing. Okay. It's not like bidding with a major where 4 is for game. If you go to 4 clubs, you're pushing the other guys into game.
Oh,
Do you
I
understand?
appreciate that.
Yeah.
But on the particular hand, I played 2 clubs because I didn't think I had the strength for 3. 3 to me would have.
Oh no,
suggested
3 is a weaker bid.
3 is a weaker bid.
3 is a weaker bid, Frank.
Over 1 spade, it's a double jump, and a double jump I would have taken as being a strong hand.
No.
You're saying that, okay.
No, it's a bit like is 3 clubs opening stronger than 1 club opening?
No, it's not. But 1 spade, 3 clubs is a double jump.
It's a double jump, but in this instance, in a situation like this, it would be regarded as a preemptive.
That's regarded as weak. Okay.
As a weak 3. But Frank, I'm not saying that your 2 clubs isn't a good bid, because with your ace jack 4 times in diamonds, I would also regard that as a really good part. I think you have a strong hand, and 2 clubs keeps the bidding open. It's not as weak as 3 clubs.
Right.
So I'm not sure. I'd be torn between 3 clubs and 2 clubs, but seeing as we are vulnerable, I'm going to go to the 3 clubs, okay, and try and stop them from going. But it's going to be irrelevant because I think West is going to go to 3 spades anyway. Okay, am I right?
Yeah.
West doubled over our 2 clubs.
Did they?
Mhm.
So, well, yeah, yes, I can understand that. I can understand why they did that, but I'm not sure whether I do that with the ace of clubs. Yeah, I can see why they did that. Yeah.
This is the way the bidding went at our table anyway.
Well, it's going to end up in 4 spades anyway, I think. Okay.
I played in 5 clubs. My partner said 4 clubs.
Well, that's the thing. If you go to 4 clubs, you will go to 5 clubs.
Yeah, up to 5, yeah.
And if you lose you lose the ace king of clubs.
Yeah.
You will lose no hearts. You lose a spade, and your diamond is in the right spot. So you could, yeah. If you don't get a heart lead, you'll be able to take out your ace king of clubs, lose your spade, and then play a heart up to the ace and play the queen of diamonds, and then finesse. So you'll be off 1 if you're lucky. If you're playing in 4 spades, you will make your ace king of clubs, which you weren't expecting. You'll lose 1 heart, and you will lose
1 diamond anyway.
2 diamonds.
Probably 2 diamonds, yeah.
Yeah, 2 diamonds, because you can throw 1 diamond on the club.
Yeah.
So there we are. Interesting.
There was nobody in 4 spades. It's either 5 clubs minus 1 or 3 spades plus 2.
Yeah.
Very good. I think you need a little bit more courage there. Anyway, let's have a look at this one here. So East is going to start off, and East has 13 points, balanced hand, 5 card club suit. So East will open 1 no trump. South is going to pass. Everybody happy with that pass? 11 points. We're saying nothing. And North is going to go West is going to go 2 diamonds. And what is North going to do?
No, not
West. West is
For the transfer.
transfer.
2 diamonds.
Oh yes, yeah, right.
Yeah. So is North going to say anything over that 2 diamonds?
It could double just to show he had a genuine diamond suit they wanted.
Well, a double like that will not. Double will ask its partner to bid again. Partner bid clubs. Now double. No, I think if it wants to show the diamond suit, it goes straight to 3 diamonds. But if I was him, I'd say nothing for the moment.
Okay.
I think I'd go pass. I think I'd go 2 hearts.
Yeah.
Because North knows it's going to get another bid. Pass. And then what happens is West passes. And now what information has North got?
That
West.
West is very weak.
West is very weak.
Weak.
And
And it was a
East-
weak no trump, so it could
Yeah,
come
exactly.
in now 2 diamonds maybe.
And that means that if I come in here non-vulnerable with my 6-card diamond suit, I have a good chance of doing damage rather than leave it in 2 hearts. Now, if they played in 2 hearts, they lose 3 hearts. Okay. They will lose 3 hearts. They might make 3 spades, and they'll lose 2 clubs and a diamond. So they will lose 3 hearts, 1 diamond, and 2 clubs.
Mm.
Mm.
Is that right? So they'll make their 1 no trump, won't they?
All the Easts this morning opened 1 club though, not 1 no trump.
Playing strong, no trump.
Playing strong no trump.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a lot of us play strong.
Now, was it played in 3 diamonds at all?
Yes.
Yes.
And how did it go?
Yeah,
Open
and
one-
made it.
open-
4 diamonds.
It opened 1 club and it went pass, 1 diamond.
Mhm.
South supported the diamonds and they ended up playing in 3 diamonds,
Grant.
making +1.
Yeah, very
Yeah.
good. Okay. There we are. Interesting one. Now, here we go. So South here is the first to speak. Now, interesting one. What do you open here?
Well, I opened a spade.
I did too, but
Okay.
it's a dreadful suit.
It's a
My
dreadful
partner said
suit.
1 no trump and I just passed.
Yeah. It's a dreadful suit, and normally speaking, with 5 spades, I would open a spade.
Yeah.
But on this occasion, I might open 1 no trump.
But I'm playing strong, no trump.
Oh, you're playing strong no trump, are you?
Mm.
Okay. Okay, well, there you are. That finishes that. Okay, so if you're playing ACOL, I think I'd open 1 no trump. Okay, but let's just say we played 1 spade. Okay,
My
what would
partner
you?
said 1 no trump.
Hmm?
My partner said 1 no trump over the 1 spade and I left her and that. She went down millions. Nothing you could do. They get all they run.
But your
all-
partner went 1 no trump in West, in the West.
No,
Hand?
no, sorry. I opened a south one spade and my partner said 1 no trump.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. That's the problem with the
Yeah, they
opening
attacked
with-
spades
yeah.
and that was it. There was nothing we could do.
Yeah,
Just stand
exactly.
all those spades.
1 no trump should make.
1 no trump could make, yeah. Anyway, okay, if you opened 1, did you get anything from the West hand here, Frank?
No,
No.
Yeah, okay, yeah. The only thing you could do is maybe 2 spades and show hearts and a minor. That wouldn't help you.
Well, against
wait.
us, it was 1 spade passed by West, 2 clubs from North.
mhm.
2 clubs from North with the, yeah, that's
From North.
reasonable. Yeah,
Yeah, 1 spade, 2 clubs from North, pass, and then South went 2 no trump.
Showing 12 to 14. And we went down 1.
Yeah,
yeah,
But 1 no trump should make.
yeah. That would be a much more proper.
bid 1 no trump
Yeah.
if you're playing weak,
Yeah.
right?
So whether you're playing, yeah, whether you're playing strong or weak, that would be better. So we'll go off 1. Okay, let's go.
Right.
Board 8. Everybody okay so far?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so who's first to speak? West here. And 6-card club suit. Beautiful suit. And 13 points. We'll still open at 1 no trump, I think. Oh, no, we've 2. Sorry, we can't.
No,
Sorry.
2 doubletons.
2 doubleton, 1 club.
1 club.
Okay. And are we going to hear anything from North? No.
No,
So what will East do?
Well, we
they
heard
said
from
one
North.
spade, actually.
What's the consensus here?
I think they should have said one diamond, but they said one spade.
No, they say one spade. I'll tell you why, because if you go to 2 diamonds, you're telling your partner, I don't have hearts and spades. So remember, when we're bidding, we're really only want to get into either no trump or 4 hearts or 4 spades. So it's better to show your major. Don't deny your major.
Okay.
Okay, that's a quick tip for you all. So you've plenty of time to show everything else. You rarely are in clubs or diamonds as a game. Okay, so don't worry about that. So 1 club, 1 spade. Does South get involved?
No,
No, can't really. So pass. And what does
2 clubs.
yeah, well, 13, 14 points. I would call that a 15-point hand, wouldn't you? With 6 clubs.
6 clubs, yeah.
So I think I'd be happy to go to 3 clubs.
Can I say, Rory, it went 1 club from me, 1 diamond from North. They came in North with 1
North
diamond.
came in with the diamond.
Yeah. And
With
then
the-
my partner didn't show the spade, she doubled. And I wasn't sure whether she was doubling the diamond, what she was doing. So South said 2 no trump.
No diamonds. No,
Wow.
And I went to 3 clubs,
Okay.
down 1.
Uh,
And I got it 0%.
Is a 1 diamond overcall there completely wrong by North?
You really should have 8 points for an overcall.
Yeah,
You know, I don't like it.
And
no.
what
Yeah.
about the singleton club? Does that make any difference?
South having a singleton club?
No,
North.
Club has been bid by West.
Yeah, but you're informing your partner that you have a slightly stronger hand than you have. Yeah, I'm not a great fan of it, to be quite honest. I think I'd wait for a while. I mean, if the bidding is going to end up at 2 clubs, then I'd come in with 2 diamonds later on. You know, I think in that seat I'd wait, because remember, it's a partnership game. If your partner is relying on you having 8 points, you may get into trouble. I do agree with you. The singleton club is certainly a great help.
Very valuable.
Yeah, it is valuable. But for the moment, I'd be happy to come in later on. Okay. Now, North is going to go. North now will pass that. And then what does South do? It doesn't want.
East
to-
goes 3 diamonds.
Yeah. East will go 3 diamonds now, I think. Yeah. And now we're going to pass. And now do we go to 3 no trump?
But from West's perspective, does West now not conclude that East has 5 spades and 4 diamonds? Not.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And he's not going to therefore feel very comfortable about playing in diamonds if he thinks his partner only has 4.
Exactly.
He might be tempted to rebid the spades. To put 'em back.
Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah. Which on the
wouldn't be
face
good.
of it. Yeah. 3 spades. Yeah, you're going to be in 4 spades if you hit the diamonds now. Okay, let's have a look at that. So over 3 clubs. You have to say something now.
I think you have to say the diamond. You can't repeat the spades
Yeah.
with 4 to the ace. I don't think you can. Like 3 diamonds, yeah.
And if West goes to 3 spades, I would leave them there.
Yeah, I think that's what happened. They played in 3 spades.
Yeah.
Could West go to 3 spades?
Hmm?
Can West go to 3 spades with only 2
It
spades?
can choice. It has a choice of playing in diamonds. It has said, clubs are what I want to play with.
Yeah.
Clubs is all I'm interested in playing it. And now my partners have rejected it twice, and they have spades and diamonds. I don't have enough to go to 3 no trump. Although 3 no trump will make. The king of clubs is on side. That's
The
why.
hearts break. Yeah.
Only because there's 6 diamonds in the
Exactly.
East.
Yeah.
But West does nothing about that.
Well, there you are. Yeah. 3
Well,
spades will go. They made the ace king.
Well, you lose 2 spades.
Mm.
Right?
Yeah. You lose 2 spades.
And 2 hearts.
2 hearts. Yeah.
Well, you'll probably get rid of one of your hearts on your clubs.
Mm.
Okay.
And you might get a,
Yeah.
well, if you get a diamond lead, of course, you can rough, but you're giving up on your spade tricks anyhow.
You know, you never rough with with the long suit. I think you'll. I think you'll lose. You lose no clubs, no diamonds. You lose 2 spades and 2 hearts, but you may get rid of one of them. You have a small chance of making it, but it's one of those awful misfit hands, you know.
Mm.
Okay, this one is a very interesting one. What are you playing here?
9.
Well, if you're playing strong, you're going to open 1 diamond or 1 club, depending on what system.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. This is
You'd pass, wouldn't you? Because you don't have the
north. Yeah.
No, you don't pass with 14 points. You can't.
No,
I'm talking about south. I thought it was.
no. You open 1 no trump.
Yeah. If you're
Yeah,
playing
okay.
weak, you'd open 1.
You do. Yeah.
East is going to pass. South is going to do what?
2 no trump.
2 no trump.
2 no trump.
Hmm.
Simple as that. And
North will go
West
to
is going to pass.
3
And
no
North
trump.
now it's 3 no trump.
Yeah.
Can it be beaten?
Well, it was.
Well, my
Was it?
partner made it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It can be
I thought
beaten.
maybe that's why.
And this is going to be a teaching hand for you. What do you lead from East?
Well, in our situation, South actually played it because we played strong with trump.
Oh, right. Okay.
And a 5 of heart lead, 5 of hearts came in as the lead.
Yeah.
So
And you made it.
You only get 2 hearts, but it went down.
Yeah. Well, okay. Let's play it in the East hand. Okay. What is the lead here?
We led the 2 of hearts there.
Okay. Well, then.
Our opponents led the 6 of diamonds.
Okay. Now that's an interesting one. Leading away from a 4-card heart suit headed by the Queen or a 4-card diamond suit headed by the Jack is a dangerous lead.
I thought about that.
It has. You're asking for your partner to have at least an honor in it for it to be worthwhile.
Mm.
And if it doesn't work, you're gone.
Mm.
Okay. So if you lead the 5 of clubs, middle up down, okay, what happens? 10 of clubs goes up. You should play the Jack, and it's going to be taken with the King. And now there's probably going to be a switch to the spade because you want to see if you can make your 4th spade. Okay. That should be taken by the ace. And the 8 of clubs goes up. Queen. Ace. Yeah. And now we have made 4 club tricks. See that?
Did we not lose the king of clubs?
Huh?
We made 3 club tricks or 4 club tricks?
4 club tricks.
But the Clare won the king.
Hmm?
Yeah,
Clare won.
club trick, but then lost a spade. So it's 3
And now we played the spade and it's down.
spade tricks. Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
Simple as that, because we didn't. Now, if you had played a diamond or a heart there, you would have given away a trick.
So are you saying, as a general rule, if the bidding is like it was there, you
Yeah.
know, 1 no trump, 3 no trump, or something like that?
Yeah, it's inviting and it's not straightforward like 1 no
Yeah.
trump, 3 no trump. Yeah.
So as a general rule, you're saying far better to lead not 4th from an honor, but lead top of nothing sort of thing, or
Yeah,
middle up.
passive lead. It's passive and active lead.
Yeah.
An active lead is where you're saying, partner, I want to attack this suit.
I want this suit back,
Yeah.
sort of thing.
Your suit isn't strong enough to attack.
Right.
Your partner probably has something that'll, but you're depending on whether your partner has an honor there. And if they don't, you could be giving away a trick. So against also, Frank, against if you're playing against a slam, you're far better off to make a passive lead than an active lead.
Yes, I can understand that one.
Yeah,
for sure.
well, the similar
opener or something. Yeah.
Sure. And it's the same idea. When leads again, when you're playing away from your 4 to the jack. 4 to the jack is known as the worst lead in bridge.
I would agree with that.
Yeah. 4 to the queen is a little bit better, but
Is this worse?
and the reason it is because 4 to the jack, you're highly unlikely to make a trick out of all 4 cards. Highly unlikely.
Rory?
Yeah.
Is 3 no trump makeable with South playing?
Yes.
Depends on the lead.
Depends on the lead again, yeah. But it's harder for East needs to get into the hands twice to lead clubs twice.
Well,
It's as long as your partner understands, Rory, because my partner, if I lead a club, will always lead a club back. I don't mean you, Anne, I mean Anne Hurley, and some people do that. They insist on leading back the thing. And so long as your partner
That is because when they go to bridge, when they learnt their bridge, that's as far as they learnt, okay?
Yes.
And bridge is kind of by rote. Now you guys are all going to lessons to learn. Well, why is it some pairs are always at the top?
Yeah.
Because learning bridge at an intermediate level doesn't give you permission to stop thinking. And you should always be thinking. So when your partner leads the 5 of clubs, you have to ask yourself, where's the 2? Where's the 3? Where's the 4? Why are they leading the 5? When your partner leads an 8, why are they leading an 8? Why are they leaving a 7? So it's all of these subtle little twists that are making you much better players. You're starting to think about things. You're starting to value hands better. You're starting to say, okay, well, I didn't have 12 points, I couldn't open. But you're starting to be more aggressive with 6-5 hands. You're starting to be more aggressive in the third seat. All of these things are making you a much more competitive bridge player. And that's what I want to see from you. Okay?
Because I led away 4 from the queen and it was disastrous, absolutely disastrous.
And that's why, Marcella, that's why.
That's fine. Thanks, Rory.
Not at all. No, that's just what we're here for.
That's
okay, let's have a look at this one. Okay, this one, look at that for a hand. 11 points. Would we open 4 spades with that?
East was dealer, were they not? East
East is dealer, yeah.
East is dealer.
Oh, yes, sorry. Oh God, I got my dealing wrong here. Yeah. Well, then it becomes very easy.
Assuming West was dealer, do you think
No, it's a trick question. I don't think I would. I think it's too strong for opening 4 spades.
Right.
I think I'll have a chance to. So I probably open 1 spade to give my partner an idea that I have 12 points. So here, if thank you for pointing out East is dealer. I got the wrong dealer on that.
1 no trump. Yeah.
1 no trump.
Yeah.
Pass here.
Pass.
And I think
4 spades there.
4
That's
spades
what I
straight
think.
away.
Yeah, that's what they did. Yeah.
Pass. There's no more in it, is there?
No.
Well, do you want to put East in with the spades, or just go straight to 4? You know.
Oh, I go straight to 4, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's much of a muchness when all the spades are.
Yeah.
You know what it is, Frank? You know when you're playing in a suit contract.
Yeah.
You want to make one hand the good hand, and the other one is dummy. You know.
Mm.
So looking at your East hand or your West hand, you're saying, well, that's the one I want to make my main hand, because it has the most trumps in it. So I will be using that as my calculation. In other words, I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to lose 1 spade, 1 heart, no clubs, and 1 diamond.
Yeah, I think on that particular hand, it makes no difference anyhow. But
yeah, because you're going to be playing that way anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
So somebody went into 5 diamonds there and made it the top.
They would have made it top because it's a good sacrifice, but
yeah,
it's very, very risky. With
we went into 5 diamonds, but we were doubled and went down 4.
I think we go down 4. Yeah, you lose 2 clubs, 2 hearts.
Well, I think what happened here is we were playing against the robots yet again, and we said, "To hell with this."
Yeah, exactly.
But anyhow, we probably wouldn't do it on a garden.
Yeah. I know we had a few hands like that.
This fear of robots now, and this hatred of robots.
Well, yes, it's more the irritation of robots. But anyhow,
I know. Yeah, there you are. Okay, let's go on to this one. South is first to speak here. Am I right? Yeah.
Yes.
So what will South bid here?
For the diamond.
Yeah, diamond. We will get an overcall.
Yeah.
So with 5, 9. And 11 points, it'll just be a simple overcall of 1 heart. And what will North do?
2 diamonds.
Yeah. Now, do you play inverted minors? Some people play inverted minors.
No, what does that mean?
Inverted minors is an interesting one, Frank, and I play it. I think it's a good one. When your partner opens a minor and you have a fish, you swap the response of 2 and 3. In other words, if I have a strong hand if I have 10 or more points, I go 2 diamonds. If I have less than 10 points, between 6 and 10 points, I'll go 3 diamonds as a preemptive bid. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
And it's a very good bid because it's now preemptive.
Sorry, we seem to have missed the opening bid of South there. Oh, South said 1 diamond.
Yeah.
1 heart. Yeah.
So you're saying that 3 diamonds is actually a weaker bid than 2 diamonds.
Exactly.
That's
It's
what
the
you mean by
opposite.
there.
Yeah. And I would consider it if I were you.
Okay. Well, the problem is we play better minor, so you'd have to have 5 diamonds in this case. You know.
Oh yeah.
But I know what you mean. I know what you're getting at.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so so we have 4, 6, 8. So it's a simple matter of going. Okay, so if we go 2 diamonds or 3 diamonds, whichever.
They went 2 hearts over here.
Yeah, and then we go 2 hearts in East. And I think
3 diamonds came in there over the 2
3
hearts.
diamonds.
yeah, absolutely. We can't not.
And
go
they
to
said
them.
4 hearts.
And
No,
North-
South's gone 3 diamonds, not West.
Yeah,
Oops.
South said 3 diamonds.
That's right. So it's 2 hearts, 3 diamonds. A lot of bidding there, yeah.
And they went 4 hearts.
And yeah, I would go 4 hearts there.
Yeah.
And I think 4 hearts is easily made.
I bid 5 diamonds.
Did you? And how did you do? You're non-vulnerable.
Yeah, I think I only went up 1, did I, Anne? I can't remember. I've forgotten now.
You can trap the you can trap the diamond, so you should
Yeah.
make all 5 diamond tricks.
Yeah.
You should make a.
Oh, I think they got the roughs. That was it. You played the ace and the rough, and you know we didn't do well because of all these roughs. They played the ace of clubs, and then they got in, played another club, and their partner roughed it, and whatever, you know. So it's pretty disastrous that way.
Ace of clubs is not a great lead. I wouldn't advise it.
Well,
It turned out to be a good lead.
Yes, it does, but it's not meant to. You should not lead an ace, an unsupported ace, from in a suit contract.
Okay.
Because you want to kill one of their runners with your ace.
Yeah, exactly. You're putting it on air.
Yeah.
You know. Now you've just your partner has turned up very nicely with a singleton club.
Singleton.
Thank you very much. But don't be applauding yourself for playing the ace. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at board 12. So West is first to speak here again. So with 9 points, we're going to pass. North is going to open 1 diamond. Now, what do we do here? 2 5-card suits.
Well, if you're going to overcall, you overcall a heart.
A heart, yeah.
Okay, you can always show your clubs afterwards. And then, so South is going to go.
1 spade.
Yeah.
Yep. And then West is going to go.
2 hearts.
At least.
Yeah.
How many hearts does West have?
5.
How
5.
many hearts does he know his partner has?
5.
5.
Minimum.
That's what he does,
Okay.
regardless. Okay, and especially non-vulnerable and the opposition being invulnerable. The
Okay.
chances are, it's called the law of total tricks, okay? If you have 10 hearts between you, you should be bidding to the 10 level, because the chances are the other side, if they've a very strong hand, will have 4 spades. 4 spades will be on. Okay, so they now have to gamble as to whether 4 spades is on. If you go 2 hearts, 3 hearts, they'll find out about their spade fit, and so you're much better off going into 4 hearts there and just shutting them out. Okay.
Very brave.
It is very brave, and I think 4 spades goes down 1 as well, because they're missing the Queen Jack 10.
Go down, yeah.
Okay.
Well,
So
it may-
either way, if they go to 4 spades, it's -1. If they go to 4 hearts, it's -1. What were you all in there?
They made 4 spades against us.
Did they make 4 spades?
5 diamonds.
You've no diamond, and the ace comes up on the right side of the clubs. So you lose a club, you lose a heart, and you lose a spade.
Club, heart, and spade. Yeah.
So, but it was very fortunate that things were the right way, you know.
But there's 5 diamonds in it against us, made with 4 + 1.
That was the hander I mentioned earlier on, Rory, where there were passes, which was amazing.
Yeah, we passed
Passed
on
out.
that.
Passed out.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh, this one here. Yeah.
Oh,
13.
or 12.
Okay. North is first to speak. North's going to pass, and East passed with 12 points and a void.
No, it opened a diamond with us.
Yeah, well, then it wasn't passed out.
No.
It wasn't this board.
Number 12 that was
And
passed.
12, and 12.
Oh, it's number 12 is passed.
12 I
Well,
was talking about, yeah.
number 12 is passed out.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, 9, 11, yeah. North had 11 points and had 5 diamonds and 4 spades. An extra diamond there is worth something. I would have opened there. And even if I didn't open, East with 9 points and 5 and 5, I would have gone 9.
1 heart.
And even if East didn't, the South should have opened with 11 points and 4 spades. So
worried about my wee bid. What would my wee bid if I opened?
don't worry about that. Just worry about your first bid first.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to open one diamond, which is going to, this is one of these hard ones. So is South going to say anything? No. And West is going to go 2 clubs.
Clubs, yeah.
Has to. And North is going to pass. And what does
Yeah, it's an awkward one, isn't it?
it is a very, very awkward one.
Yeah.
And no matter what you do, you're going to be wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm telling you that. If you go 2 hearts or 2 spades, you're in game. You got that? Is there game to be made? 4 hearts,
no.
maybe. Maybe 4 hearts.
You have to say something, don't you, when your partner responds.
Yeah.
So.
The correct response, strictly by the book, is 2 dimes. Partner, I have a very weak hand, you know, and I've only dimes. And the correct response here is, okay, I have 7 clubs. My partner's shown me 5 diamonds. So we have 5 diamonds between us. There's a possibility my partner has no clubs, which is correct in this case. So I would consider passing.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. I think that's right.
And even if you pass, you're going to lose 3 diamonds.
Mm.
You're going to lose no hearts. You lose 3 diamonds, no hearts,
No spades.
Well, you might be able to rough a
You
spade
might.
there too.
Yeah.
but
Yeah, you could rough a spade. Yeah, that's why the 2 diamonds over here are worth it. Yeah, you could conceivably lose no spades. Okay, but you lose your 3 diamonds. It depends how cleverly. If they attack trumps, you won't get. You lose 2 spades, but it's your best option. Okay, hand 14. Why is it not going to hand 14?
three
You there?
diamonds